how to generate sample data and sample dates with the powerful RANDBETWEEN Excel function. Let's generate this random sample data and these sample dates. Let's create it on new sheet, in here sheet 3. First, let's create some sample data here. You may need this data for experiment or for any other purpose. Let's determine first the maximum and minimum value we need the sample data to be. Let's say it's be 100 for minimum and 300 for maximum value. 100 for minimum and 300 for maximum value. Now select and highlight all cells as much as you want the sample data to spread, and we'll enter the formula. The RANDBETWEEN formula is equal to RANDBETWEEN. Select this RANDBETWEEN and enter the minimum value, that is 100, comma, and the 300 is the maximum one, and press Ctrl Enter. We can't simply press Enter since we have selected a bunch of cells ahead of time. That is it. We created a sample data. If you all are set and you want to keep it, you can copy and paste it as values only, and we can format a little bit and color it, so we get this sample random data. In the same manner, we can use it to create sample dates too. Let's say we want to create a list of dates between February 2018 and January 2010. And let's put here both dates and select a bunch of cells ahead of time. Then you want to spread the sample, the random dates is equal to RANDBETWEEN. Select the first date from I2 and the second date I3, but here we should make it absolute reference. Select and press F4, and now press Ctrl Enter. Oh, we made an error. Okay, this date should be ahead. Let's make it 2020. Now we have got the result. They don't look like dates, but we can format it later. If you want to keep it and change it, copy it and paste it as values only. Copy, as values only, and you can format it. Select your dates. So now it looks like dates. We can try also other formats. Let's select this one, and also we can format it, change the color. So we get these beautiful random dates. So the rand function is a powerful random data generator tool.